Alright, now today I appreciate the Almighty God. We don't grant us the privilege. So maybe for join those people, we go be a partaker of another beautiful weekend. Now elders go talk, they go talk, say no matter how you don't plan, say you go do something. Now one day, the day go come. Of course, this one are the weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. And as I don't know, and as I don't tell you before, say we go to give you the highlight and the summary of Toris' latest informate and news we don't share from Monday go reach Friday, even till this very moment. Now we go to disseminate for your listening pleasure. Of course, my own name never change. My name now Gunyemi Akimbusayo. May we do this one again now. Informate plenty, Informate Booku, and the day here you don't do ready. The very first informate for the weekend edition where I carry come on Adomot, and they talk say federal government ASU agree to resolve pending issues. The federal government and the academic staff union of universities for Wednesday been end their closed door meeting with agreement say all contentious issues go dey amicably resolved to take avert strike. The parties been also agree to kickstart communication process to take avert the planned industrial action where the union been get in plan. Quick one, another informate we dey for here now they talk say Tinubu backs NDLEA to end drug abuse and trafficking. Nigeria Presido Bola Tinubu don call on Nigerians say make them redouble effort on top fight against drug abuse and trafficking for the country. Him also urged support for the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency for them fight against substance abuse and illicit drug trafficking. Balance press freedom with responsibility. Federal government yarn journalist. The Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, don reaffirm the government commitment to ensure safe environment for journalists them. Him highlight say free press dey essential for thriving democracy. That one at TinTinNi Tori. Another one wey dey for here now they talk about Chioma and Davido with them hashtag GVido 2024. Sanwo-Olu Abiodun been congratulate Davido, Chioma. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu don extend him kind wishes to Afrobeat star David Adeleke aka Davido and him newly wedded wife Chioma. Another one wey dey for here now they talk say Kenyan youth still dey para o. Dem dey para say the government no do them well as them continue with protest. Protests dey continue for Kenya despite say President William Ruto don withdraw the controversial finance bill. Kenyan police been fire tear gas to take disperse groups of protesters wey been gather for the capital with another put for Nairobi. At least 22 people don dey reportedly kpai for the protest wey shele for the country on Tuesday, the 26th of June. This one na on top Mohbad matter. Protesters storm US lab. Them demand clarification on top toxicology test. One group of protesters for Monday been stormed the headquarters of the National Medical Services Laboratories wey under for Pennsylvania inside United States on top the outcome of one toxicology test wey they reported say them conduct for the facility to take determine the cause of kpai of late Nigerian singer Ilerioluwa Aloba aka Mohbad. Now one member of the Aloba family legal team, Taiwo Odumosu, yarn this one for Wednesday. Appeal court uphold Nollywood actor Baba Ijesha 5-year jail term. The Lagos Division of the Court of Appeal for Thursday been uphold one previous ruling by one Lagos State High Court wey confirm 5-year prison sentence for Nollywood actor Olanrewaju James, wey people sabi as Baba Ijesha, on top sexual assault of one minor wey be 14 years. Another one wey dey for here na im talk say probe don begin as ex-Konga CEO allegedly jump come kpai for Lagos apartment. The Lagos State Police Command don commenced investigation to take unravel the true circumstances wey surround the death of the former chief executive officer for Konga wey be one of Nigeria e-commerce giants, Nick Imudia, wey reports gather say im kpai by suicide for im residence for the Lekki area for inside Lagos State. The last informate wey dey for here na im dey tok say Tinubu don celebrate UN Deputy Secretary General Amina Mohammed at 63. Nigeria President Bola Tinubu for Friday don congratulate the Deputy Secretary General of the United Nations Amina Mohammed as well-wishers around the world bin celebrate her 63rd birthday. Alright, now with that tori, I go dey say my bye-byes on top the weekend edition of TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. Una no forget, cholera still dey out there. Stay clean, stay good, stay safe. My name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akim Busayo, Baba Future. Until the next weekend edition, una no change this die. Una bye bye yo.